Hey, kindergarten teachers, this is your G Kids training. I am not going to read this PowerPoint to you. I'm going to send it to you digitally so that you can go back and read through the slides you need to read. Just want to point out the important parts of G Kids that you need to know for this year. Not reading this. Not reading this either. Okay, resources. Reading that. You guys all know this. Okay, keep on going. Okay, first thing, this is for Jenny. Technically, Jenny, we know you're not a new kindergarten teacher, but because you did not do the training last year, you need to go through all the modules. And then the other teachers, you go through the regular modules, and then there'll be a, well, okay, let me go back. Jenny, you go through all the modules, and then you'll have a questionnaire at the end with a certificate that you need to turn to me. This is how you register for the training course. This is all the information you're going to need. Returning teachers, you will have that returning kindergarten teacher checklist on the right that you need to return to me. This just says that this is the checklist, and teachers who are new to kindergarten for this year must view all the learning modules, including in the course. These are all the modules. All right, here's your key dates. September 12th, students need to be assessed on all readiness check skills, and all data should be entered into the GKids portal. January 9th, May 15th, and June 9th. So put those on your calendar. Roster upload for everyone. Okay, the roster upload will be completed by August 3rd, so you won't be able to work on anything until August 3rd. Not that you would do that the first or the second day of school. You need to select the students from the pre-populated list and acquire them into your class. And this is just some information about how to do that in the dashboard. Your responsibilities is to create your class, enter the student data in the required domains, releasing, adding, and acquiring students if necessary to maintain the current class roster, generate students and class reports throughout the year as needed, and create end-of-year individual student reports. If one of the students is not on your school list, we can do that. We can always search for the student, but then we can always acquire it. And I think we had that happen last year. If you can't find them, just let me know and I will help you. Releasing and acquiring students. Okay, this is how you do that. The dashboard, which you guys know how to access, how to mark students, and all the different reports. Learning target checklist. And then the student reports, which you include for student progress. Student reports. Okay, test irregularities. Just make sure that you know that this GKids is a secure test. It should be a secure testing environment. As you're performing the test, you need to make sure that you assess all students on all content areas of GKids. If you do have an irregularity, you need to let me know immediately. There are resources available on the Georgia DOE. There's a parent website and other support for you guys. So I will email this very in-depth, knowledgeable training to you, and I will include the administration manual and any other documents related to GKids will be included on your email. The checklist, the key dates, and the parent brochure, which I think you guys can just post on CTLS so that your parents know what GKids is and how their students are being assessed through the school year. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Thanks.